In this training video, we will be going over the tips and tricks to leading songs. During the week of camp, each of the units will visit the music station. The Pixie, Daisy, and Brownie units, which are campers in pre-K through 3rd grade, will all visit the music station twice during the week. On the other hand, the Junior and Cadet units, which are 4th grade through 6th grade, will visit the music station only once throughout camp. When it comes to boys, it may vary. They may or may not visit the music station throughout the week of camp. Now let's move right along into what each level of unit will be doing when they attend the music station at Woodinville Day Camp. When the Pixies and Daisies are at the music station, while teaching them the songs, some great activities might be to throw scarves into the air and catch them, shake the shaky eggs, use rhythm sticks, and also remember to be active, have fun, and have high energy when leading the songs to the campers. Two really great songs to teach the Pixies are Little Red Wagon and Squirrely. Both of these songs are super easy to teach, they're lots of fun, and they're really high energy. When it comes to the Daisies, some great songs include the Moose Song, I Love the Mountains, Jellyfish, Happy Llama, Sad Llama, and No Piranhas in the Tolt. These are all tons of fun and should keep the unit laughing and engaged while at the music station. When the Brownies visit the music station, you can help them earn their dancer badge by following these steps. Warm up with touching your toes, rolling your neck, and shaking your arms and legs out. Then, teach the unit a song with lots of motions and movement. The next step would be for the unit to create their own dance for the song that you just taught them. And finally, have them perform their new song and dance during our closing flag ceremony. A few fun songs to teach the Brownie units include the Duck Girl song, Brownie Smile song, and I'm a Nut. Remember the 3 song teaching steps and have fun with the unit. When the juniors visit the music station, you can help them earn their musician badge. You can use instruments including sticks, drums, and maracas. You can even have them make their own instruments, possibly out of cans, boxes, pencils, or dowels. Once they have explored the different instruments, you can have them perform a song with their unit leaders. Bazooka Bubblegum, Purple Lights, Black Socks, and Princess Pat are all great songs to teach the juniors. Have fun and make sure to be active! As far as the songs for cadets go, you can teach them Super California Surfer and Barges. These songs are a little more challenging, so they are perfect for the older girls. Although the boys unit may or may not go to the music station, it's always great to be prepared with songs. You can teach the boys unit the Bear Song and a camp favorite, Boom Chicka Boom. At this point, you may be wondering, how do I teach a song? Well, there are 3 simple steps to teach and lead a song to others. The first step is to sing the song one time through. The second step is to teach it line by line. You sing one line and have the group repeat the line with you. You will repeat this process all the way to the end of the song. The third and final step is for everyone to sing the song all together. Here are a few tips and tricks to remember when leading the music station. Relax, have fun, and enjoy yourself. Don't forget to smile. Take a minute to find the right pitch for a song before starting. If you find the pitch is wrong, don't be afraid to stop, change it, and start over. Body language and simple motions stir up enthusiasm and keep the group together. So remember to participate and lead by example. Remember, lively songs keep energy high and action songs help get the wiggles out of the audience, which is great for the younger groups. The more they sing, the more they will enjoy it. Sing every chance you get. Sing on your way to the music station and on the way to the lunch line, on the way to the biffy, you name it, you sing it. Remember, if your spirit to teach is low, then so is their spirit to learn. Be engaging, have fun, be silly. Keep your sense of humor. Don't have a concert quality voice of singing? It's okay. Even a cracked note can add the fun if you don't take it personally. Think about these questions if you are leading the music station at Woodinville Day Camp. What songs would you put into a camp song progression? What songs can/should you teach to each level of camper? Daisy, Brownie, Junior, and Cadet. Are there songs that you think should be sung or led at specific times during Woodinville Day Camp? Like opening songs, closing songs, hikes/walking? If we develop a Woodinville Day Camp song progression, what would it look like? What songs would you introduce at each level? Should we sing traditional Girl Scout songs? What about the new popular songs you hear on the radio? Whatever you choose, remember to have fun with it. In summary, remember to have lots of smiles and enthusiasm, and keep in mind the age of the audience so that the songs are appropriate. Visit the Woodinville Day Camp staff manual for the lyrics to all these songs. That concludes this training video. See you at camp!